Number 10. Which statement describes the effect of temperature on enzymes? So enzymes are proteins. They're sensitive with high temperature, high or low pH as well. So if they're exposed to either of them, then they become denatured, which means they lose their natural structure. Okay? Enzymes turn like this. So high temperatures denature enzymes, yes. Making it difficult for substrate molecules to fit into the active site, yes. This is absolutely right. So this site is called the active site. And at high temperatures, the active site changes the shape. So the substrate that usually fit into the active site can no longer fit into the active site when it becomes denatured. Okay? When the enzyme becomes denatured. Sweet as.